Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 5, leçon G. And in this lesson, we'll see together the passé composé form of the verb avoir. Avoir is to have, so it's quite important. So let's discover it together. First form is j'ai eu. Okay, remember the difficulty with avoir at the past form. So first, remember that we saw in the previous lesson how to construct this passé composé form. So you've got to use whether, avoir, or être here. In that case, it's avoir at the present form. And then the second part, it's what we call the participe passé. Okay. And then, of course, for avoir, it's a bit tricky. You write it like that, eu, but then phonetically, what you will have to pronounce is u. Okay, so you get j'ai eu. All right, j'ai eu. Tu as eu. Il a eu, masculine form. Il a eu, feminine form. Elle a eu. So here, let's make the little liaison, the little link between everything. Nous avons eu. Nous avons eu. Vous avez eu. Vous avez eu. Ils ont eu. Elles ont eu. Okay, so let's see them one more time. J'ai eu. Tu as eu, il a eu, feminine form, elle a eu, nous avons eu, vous avez eu, ils ont eu, elles ont eu. Alright, it was a short lesson, I know, but it is really, really important. So definitely you should know this verb avoir by heart, okay? If you know it by heart, then the next lesson is there, okay? And then if you want more material, well, the website is here, okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.